Hello everyone and welcome to another video of basic and effective microphone setup. It's a good title to go for, by the way. This is one other way of bringing in a setup that is really simple to operate and really easy to go for when you're on the go. And at the same time, we are not compromising with the sound quality that it provides us. As they say, necessity is the mother of invention. Right now, I am completing a very hectic month of October, and I would be on my way to home tomorrow from a training that I just completed. Because I'm traveling most of the days in a month, it really is difficult to carry my setup around, to different parts of the country where I'm traveling to. So I had to come up with a new way of doing things, a simpler way of doing things where I don't have to actually carry the whole setup that I have to different places. I was having a conversation with one of my friends today, a very good friend of mine, Krinal Mehta. He told me that, you would be traveling for so much of time to come. So it's time now that you figure out a way where you actually go for videos that would not compromise the sound quality. At the same time, you would be able to upload them and go for them. So what I did was I took in my earphones, I plugged it into my mobile phone. The earphones that I have right now, they're from Sony. I'll be throwing in the link of the product in the description box. These earphones are actually connected to my mobile and I'm recording them in a voice recording software. So I'll be throwing that particular link in the description below as well. The setup is very simple. I am recording the sound on my phone. I am recording the video and my screen on my laptop. The software that I'm using for recording the screen is the same Open Broadcaster software. I've not shifted to any other software yet, and that works for me. I would be syncing this audio and the video later before uploading the video altogether on YouTube. So another basic yet effective way of recording coding tutorials, I just am with my laptop, my mobile and my earphones. That's it. It actually gives you a good quality of sound, not as good as obviously the state-of-the-art audio setup, which later we may have, when we have good money, but it is decent. And moreover, I'm traveling. That all adds up to a good particular equation. So hopefully it is helpful to you. Do reach out if you have any particular questions regarding the setup that you may have, if you want to record coding tutorials, if you want to start small and then go bigger as far as expense is concerned. So do stay in touch, subscribe the channel, share this video and spread the knowledge. Thank you.